This one was kind of big, so I just gonna help you with it.
Yeah.
You can do these little ones here in a minute, though.
Okay.